All right. Let's see. Can you navigate to an O'Reilly Auto Parts?
There's an O'Reilly Auto Parts just 0.2 miles away at
Yeah, let's
4307
do that
Wade.
one. Let's do that one. That's close.
Got it. Navigating to O'Reilly Auto Parts at 4307
Great.
Wade Green.
Thanks. So, yeah, I mean, I like the graphic navigation. Super wordy, though. We can't start from park on 12.6.4, but once we get going again, we should be able to put it in FSD. Okay, and we're going to see what it does here. It's going to take a weird route, it appears, through this parking lot. We're going to go straight, and then, yeah, we should definitely just turn right here, so this makes more sense. It's interesting how FSD just decides we're just going to do like whatever navigation we actually want to do. We're not going to actually follow whatever the car says. I don't know. Oh, okay. It's a little confused. Should it go left there? No. It should go left here. It recovered. It did a little bit of wiggle. That's fine. But it did recover. And we are going to go up to the stop sign. And we're actually going to turn left here. This is actually a difficult spot to turn left. There's a lot of traffic from the left and the right. So we will see how well it does with that. Have to be ready to intervene. There's good visibility. We do have a turn lane. I don't think it's going to use it. Could be wrong. Kind of acted like it was going to maybe turn into the turn lane and then get going. But see, there's these cars here that are also using the turn lane, so it's a little bit tough. Got to be ready to... I think it's probably just going to wait for clearing both ways and go for it. Here, this would be a good spot, probably. Yeah, I know. I just got honked at. I'm not, I'm not opposed. I think we probably should have gotten honked at. I don't know. We had a spot there. We had a good gap there, and it could have gone. But I mean, at the same time, the car behind us doesn't know, what we're seeing, and they don't know if it's clear or not, and they really shouldn't pressure us to go, if we don't feel it's safe. So, people just honk all the time. I don't feel like that was really appropriate for them to honk at us in that situation. We could have gone, but I was happy with how FSD handled that and actually took the more cautious, easier gap in that scenario. So yeah, it actually handled that pretty well, honestly. So I don't have any problem with that. I don't know why they, the car behind us really needed to honk. I mean, whatever. All right, so what I'm really looking for here is, does the car center in this lane appropriately? And so far, it looks like we're doing a pretty good job of centering in the lane. So we're going to go up here to O'Reilly Auto Parts. Again, the people behind us probably didn't like that we slowed down so much, but I mean, we got to slow down to turn in here. Got to go to O'Reilly Auto Parts, of course. Is it going to park? Maybe, maybe not. Acting very weird. And it's going to... Oh, it can't back up. So it thinks it's... it was like, oh, we should back into a space. And then it realized it can't back up. I keep forgetting that on 12.6.4 it actually won't back up. So it actually cannot park very properly. So, I mean, we'll give it to him. I mean, it should just, that's the weird thing about 12.6.4 is that it wants to back up, but it just can't. It's not allowed to back up. So it thinks, oh, I'm just going to back into the space, and then it just can't do it. So who knows? Kind of weird. All right, let's go ahead and just tap this next destination. We'll get a little bit more driving in. Again, I have to start it because we can't start from park. And we'll see how it does keeping the lane, keeping the speed, and all that. So far, I mean, knock on wood, I am happy with how FSD is performing. Maybe clearing those cameras, cleaning them again all around, and doing camera calibration. Maybe that really did solve our problem with 12.6.4. I mean, I'm a little hesitant to say that because I've had so many times where I thought it's good to go, and then it just starts having problems again. So I'm definitely going to have to take it out for more drives to try to give it a better test as to whether it is actually fixed or not. But right now, I'm pretty happy with it. Now, this is like, I mean, honestly, I don't know that I would even try to turn left here. A lot of people trying to use the turn lane there. Okay, we're going to use the turn lane. No, we're going to just, we're going to go ahead and go for it. Okay, yeah. All right. That worked out pretty well. Took a pretty good gap, and we kind of utilized the turn lane, slowed down in the turn lane a little bit, and then merged into traffic. Lane was clear, so that worked out pretty well. All right, so I'm going to put up the camera again. Again, I'm really just trying to see if we are centered in the lane, because that is the biggest problem that I've had. That and the speed. And right now, it's going 44, 45, and a 40. That's good speed. And we are well centered. We are well centered in the lane. So this is good news. Good news for 12.6.4. I am so far very happy with what it's doing. All right, so that's a behavior of version 13 of FSD. It doesn't really anticipate slowing down as quickly as it should, I believe. It did stop, obviously, but could have slowed down a lot earlier in order for it to be less abrupt for that stop. Okay, that was actually really nice. I thought we were clear to go, and so I was kind of like trying to press the accelerator, but actually that guy was doing a U-turn, so actually that was a situation where the car had actually slowed down appropriately to let that U-turn happen for that guy. So yeah, I mean, so far I am pleasantly surprised with how well it's driving. Maybe the problem all along was just the camera cleaning was not good enough the first time I did it. I mean, I did camera calibrations and I did camera cleaning and everything, and I didn't feel like there was any update to it But now it seems to be working much better. I am going to try to take it out at night, get a couple dash cam videos after the camera cleaning. Okay, this is wrong. Well, that's just like goofy FSD 12.6.4 behavior. It was going to turn into that turn lane a little bit early. This is the one it needed to be in. It corrected itself, so no problem. It was a little bit weird, but not unsafe or anything. So yeah, I'm gonna get some dash cam footage at night. Hopefully we will see a lot of that, the blooming of those lights reduced, because I gotta imagine that if that's what FSD was seeing, obviously it's going to be very difficult for it to drive appropriately, because it was like, looking at that dash cam footage, I was shocked that it could even do as well as it was doing in that with that information. It'd be like if you had like glass in front of your face that just was like all fogged up or something. I don't know how to equate that, but that makes sense why it wouldn't have been able to do that. All right, so we're going to be turning in here to this. This is our destination, so we're going to turn right here, and then we're going to be turning left into this parking lot here. We're actually following this car here, so that's good. I don't know that I would have gone ahead and... there's a hill there, so I don't know. I think people probably know they shouldn't be coming over that hill very quickly, but anyway, this is our destination. So again, FSD 12.6.4, not great at parking, not really designed to park, and we legit parked like in 2 spaces, and it didn't even set it to park. I don't know. That's kind of crazy. All right, so final thoughts on this. Definitely cleaning the cameras seems to have helped a lot with FSD 12.6.4 and its ability to actually drive appropriately within the lane. It seems to be centering a lot better. It doesn't seem to be acting goofy in situations. It also seems to be taking the appropriate speed on all the roads. Now, again, this is only for like, let's see, I did about 6.5 miles, but so far I am pleasantly surprised with how well it's doing. And I think that maybe it was that I needed to get a better camera cleaning done in order for it to work. So we will see. I will continue to drive it and see if we get some good results out of it. But if we do, honestly, 12.6.4 does 90%, 95% of the driving, maybe even more than that, because really it's like I can't start it from park, but I can just pull out of the parking space, put it in drive, and then I can use it. And then it doesn't do a good job of parking, so I can just disengage right when I get to my destination and park where I want to park. So overall, I think that honestly 12.6.4 is actually really great even on hardware 3. So it's really just a matter of, are they going to get hardware 4 working with unsupervised, and then are they going to bring version 14 to hardware 3 and get to the point where you can just do parking space to parking space. I don't know if they're going to be able to do unsupervised, but it's going to be very close, I think, at this point. So anyway, that's it for this one. Thanks so much for watching, and we will catch you on the next one.